The next module is a navbar page. So for the navbar page, I have created a multiple test scenario which includes login form, validation of password, valid login, invalid login, verify logout, verify cookies, verify. Yeah, so these are the test scenarios I have created for this navbar page. So let's see one by one. So basically, we are going to demonstrate first test scenario and the test case for navbar page. So basically, here we are going to verify all fields and labels are displayed or not. So we are discussing for this nav page, and we are going to validate all the elements are available or not. Means this uh, logo is available or not. This two input box is available or not, and the availability and clickability of these two buttons. So for this test case, and we are going to also check placeholder text is available or not. So basically, here both input box either label or placeholder. But given site for this passport input box does not contain any placeholder or does not contain any label, so this test case is fails. This is actually bad user experience. If user is a new, he is not able to enter a password in a right place. So yeah, this need to fix. And then verify button. So on verify this test case, we are going to verify all the buttons which is over the new page. So we are going to validate color, sees color, hover effect, hover color. So both button has a different color before and after hover. So login button shows click to hover effect and before click. So it this test case becomes a fail. So we need to fix this also. And then we are going to validate the email input box with a multiple test data. So we are going to check email input box with missing at the rate symbol. So this must produce uh, error validations. So but actual result, we are not seeing any error message, so it will be failed. So we need to fix this priority of this test case is higher. We need to fix as early as possible. And then this the second validation of email input box, we are going to check with the missing domain. So we are going to enter a test at the rate in this input box. So here also we are going to here we are going to get any error message, get any field itself shows the error message. So we are not seeing here any error message, so this also fails. Likewise, we are going to check missing username. We are going to check special characters. So basically any email field is not allowed to any special character. So if we try any email with any special character, that is a test test with this symbol at the gmail.com. So expected result is user email field itself shows error message, but here we are not seeing any error message, so this is also fail. The priority of test case is high. We need to fix this as well. And then we are going to try email value with leading and trailing spaces. So basically, leading and trailing spaces should be trimmed and accepted and normalized for here, but it is not accepted leading and trial spaces, seeing error message after adding a leading and trial spaces. So this also fails. Yeah, yeah, and uppercase with the email. So we are going to check this email input field with the uppercase email text. So it should be accepted and normalized, but here it is not accepted. So this test case also failed. So and then uh, uh, we are going to check validation errors or validation of for this password field. So we are going to check. The first one is password containing special characters. It should be password must have any special character, so it should be accepted. So here it is also working, special character accepted, so this test case will be pass. Similarly, empty password or empty password after autofill. So this test case we says we are going to open a home page and we are going to fill the email and the password through autofill, and then third step is remove the password and click on login. So this steps shows error message and password field is empty. So actual result here, we are going to see able to see the error message, so this also pass, no issues over here. And the leading and trial spaces for the password field, basically it does not accept any space in a password field, should be treated as a one character, so it is not accepted. So here it is also not accepted. uh, so able to see error message if we add any extra leading and trial spaces, so this test case is a pass. And then try password with a case sensitive. Let's say if our password is a capital P and then small s and small w at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but if we try hold the text into a capital letter, then it will be gives a it then it must be throws an error. So here we are able to see error over here also, so this test case is also passed. And then we are going to try a password field with a empty. So it must throws an error, empty password field must shows error message. So we are going to here also we are going to see the error message for empty password. So this test case is also passed. And then we are going to try with the valid credentials. So after valid credentials, we are must able to see that logout button and logged in username over the navbar. So this test case is also passed. After login, we are going to, the next test case is after login and try refresh. So after login, we are going to refresh the page and observe the login state. So we are going to able to see logged in state. So the one minor issue over here we are going to see, if we log in and if we refresh, then able to see logged in state. But during the refresh for the small interval for the 1 second, we are seeing login form which is logged out user state. So this is not a blocker, uh, but this needs to fix because the user get confused whether he is logged in or log out. So the suggestion is please remove that part which shown after a refresh of logged in user. Then login with valid username, invalid password, login with invalid username with valid password. We are going to try over the multiple combination. Yeah, and then the next is verify cookies is created after successful login or not. So we are going to open home page, enter email and password and click on login button. And for doing this, we are going to inspect our browser and check the application tab, and after click on login, cookies must be created. But here I am not seeing any cookies is created. So this test case becomes fail. So this is a bug actually. And verify cookies. So valid user remains logged in after closing a browser. So open the home page. The first step, enter a email and password and click on login. Close current browser and open new browser and enter URL. User must be logged in. So I'm able. So So actual result, I'm able to see the logged in user. So this test case will be passed. The next test case for uh, the next test case is a logout, verify logout. So verify user can log out successfully. Enter home page, enter credentials, click on login, and uh, users redirected to login page, able to land on login page. So this test case is a pass. uh, Verify log. The next test case is a verify log out and try clicking browser's back button. So the first step is open home page, enter email and password, click on login, click on logon button, and try to click on browser back button. So user is not accessible to mm, back into logged in page. So actual result also the same. So this test case will be passed. The next test case is verify session is destroyed after logout. So I think the first issue we have seen, after login there is no cookies and sessions created. So here this test case is not able to validate because the cookies is already not created. So this also fails. Verify logout and refresh page. So so this also works actually. We are going to open home page, enter email and password, click on login, click on logout button, and then we are going to try refresh the page. So expected result to get logged out state only. So actual result also same. So this test case is also passed. And then uh, verify this logout button functionality with multiple pages. So this is the one bug I have found. Verify logout from overall rating banner. So the first step is open home page, click on overall rating banner, and then enter email and password, click on login button, and click on logout button. So I have observed this logout button is not working from overall rating. If we try overall rating banner, but it is working for other pages. So this test case is failed because this logout button is not working from overall rating banner. Yeah, this is for all over the for navbar page. So we will discuss third register page.